Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where Instagram story music is not playing. So step 1, update your Instagram app to the latest version through the Play Store or App Store. Step 2, if the problem still persists after doing step 1, go to your settings and then apps, then Instagram, then storage, and then tap clear cache. Step 3, restart your device and try uploading a story with music again. Step 4. If music still doesn't appear or play, go to Settings, then Account, then Playback Preferences, and make sure that Sound in Stories is enabled. Step 5. Switch to a different song or sound. Some tracks might be region restricted or removed. Step 6. As a last resort, log out and log back in or uninstall and reinstall the application. And that should fix the music playback issue for most users. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.